Today I am going on my first solo camping trip, maybe ever, in my life. I would have loved for Ian to have gone with me, but his work schedule is sort of like he's always on call. And I had a couple days off, so I kind of wanted to escape the ranch and get to a part of Arizona that I've never seen before. So I just made it to Payson. I'm gonna camp in Pine tonight and maybe check out like a hike near Strawberry tomorrow. And then I have to head back to the ranch, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I drove through Payson. There's kind of some stuff going on there. Drove through Pine, and I was like, oh, that was it. Okay. Maybe I'll try to go check out Strawberry. I was like, okay, it's 4 minutes away. Got to Strawberry. It was gone. Like, I just passed right through it. And so I was like, okay, let me just go drive down this random road. And, yeah, there's really nothing here. I'm feeling very confused, very lonely. I don't really get to spend time alone. Ian and I have been together for 15 years, and I love being with him. I would love to spend every second with him. I wish that he was here with me. He gives me such a sense of safety, but honestly, this is a good test of independence and just learning to get out there on my own, I guess. Because I've done it before, you know? I just keep thinking of the quote from Into the Wild. Is that what the fucking movie is called? Happiness is only real when shared. I'm really starting to understand that, because I think for so long I was like so okay with my independence and like being alone. I'm an only child, so I've always had the mentality of like being able to do things alone, but I have had Ian do things so much for me in the past few years that I was just kind of like on autopilot, and now it makes me anxious to be alone. So I guess we're gonna drive back through Pine. I don't know, I thought it would be kind of cute to like go find a little place to get a non-alcoholic drink because I'm 10 months sober, but I don't know if I have the guts for that. So I have a kombucha in the back, and I might just go find a campsite and crack that open and be by myself. Maybe that's what I'm scared of, is like talking to strangers. I think that's what it is, because I was just driving and there was a guy stopped, and I stopped kind of too, because I saw that there was a baby deer, and I stopped kind of near him, and I was listening to music and like accidentally turned the music up. It was so embarrassing. He's like, oh, I just stopped for the baby deer, and I was like, yeah, I know, me too. Like, I don't know. So I guess let's go drive. I don't know if I can keep my camera here. I feel like this is not a safe spot for that. Lots of Trump signs out here, that's for sure. Please don't follow the camera. I need like a mount for my dash. So if anyone has any suggestions, drop them in the comments. I really don't mind the small town vibe. Why is everybody flashing their lights at me? It's like the second person that's flashed their lights at me. There's just deer. It's fine. Oh, it's an elk! Fuck yeah! Hi! Whoa. I'm so excited. I wanted to see an elk. Hey, Mama. Anyway, that was cool. But what I was saying was, this seems like a really beautiful place to live. I think in my head I was just kind of hoping for like a little town to walk around in and like find some cute clothing and some cute shops, but that's not really what I'm seeing here, and that's okay. So this is Strawberry, and that was Strawberry. So I guess we're gonna go back to Pine. It's super pretty up here though. So I made it to my campsite. I'm gonna set up now. I am feeling like I want to go home. Home being Ian and the comfort of my bed. I sound so silly, but I honestly like am feeling really anxious and just like kind of feel like I want to cry. I wanted to hike tomorrow and I just want to go home. This is really crazy for me. I mean, like, this is crazy that this is how I'm like acting, but I'm trying to get through it. And I'm gonna just set up my bed and try to get cozy. I feel safe. It's not that I don't feel safe. I just am lonely. I think I'm just experiencing loneliness. I haven't experienced it in a long time, but it's not a nice feeling. But anyway, let's go set up the back of the truck. Did it. Yay. Ta-da! I literally just bought this sleeping bag because we were just using our bed blankets before, and I couldn't take those away from Ian, so I went and bought this little Ozark Trail Walmart sleeping bag. I might return it tomorrow. Kind of pretty out right now. It's like a perfect temp. It's supposed to get to 35 tonight, so I really hope that this sleeping bag keeps me cool enough. I mean, warm enough. I think this is gonna be okay. Cheers. Pillows, and we're done. Well, that might have been the worst night I've ever had. I was so cold. This cheapo Walmart brand sleeping bag is getting returned immediately this morning. It said it was rated for 35 degrees and it's only 38 right now, and I had socks on, I had pants on, I had this long sleeve, and I was freezing all night. I had my jacket on top of me, and it also rained the whole night, so I don't think I'm gonna go hiking. I think I'm just gonna grab a coffee and some food and head out of here, because this has not been fun. sleeping bag cover got wet.
I wanna go to the mountains alone, by plane, take it home, throw out my phone, tell everyone I'm gone. I'll be back in a moment, remember that, keep track. Cause I got a soul that could eat yours whole. I got money in my pocket, pockets of sewn. I got a whole lot of something, nothing is right. So pull up a chair, stay the night, stay the night.
I'm back in Wickenburg at the ranch. I'm happy to be back. I can't wait to take a shower and see Ian, and honestly just relax for the rest of the day. Thanks for coming on my little adventure with me. We'll take Ian along next time. Maybe it'll be a little more fun.